Meet the compact packaging solution built for growing operations. The PrimoLinear V5 net weigher paired with the VersaPak tabletop vertical bagger. Watch potato chips move from bulk product hopper, up through the conveyor, into the V5 for accurate weighing, then directly into the VersaPak as each bag is formed, filled, and sealed in one smooth motion. Small footprint, economical operation, professional packaging performance. This flexible system can run film, integrate with a printer for coding and labeling, and adapt across a wide range of products, from produce and snack foods to beef jerky, hardware, confectionery, and more. Efficient automation without the massive production line. Contact us at info@paxium.com to request layouts, specs, and pricing info, or send us your samples for evaluation today.